Hi, this is Joan-Marie from Vippy's Designs and Decoupage Rocket Girls, and take a look at those beautiful napkins. Those are new from Vippy's Designs. And you know, I took a trip to the Dollar Tree as well. I wanted to see what they had out for spring and for Easter, and I found some things. Of course, I'm going to show them to you in this video, and I found other things that we can also use for decoupage DIY right there in the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be doing some upcycling and some ideas for upcycling. I'm going to tell you, save your jars and save your cans. Let's get started. If you've heard the term decoupage but you weren't really sure what it was, it merely means adhering fancy papers to objects. Now, the fancy papers we use are decorative paper napkins, and well, the objects can be anything from pieces of wood to shells to rocks to glass plates. Many different things can be decoupaged. If you want to know more or see DIYs, please go to my YouTube video channel, which is Decoupage DIY with Joan-Marie. Well, here's some of those fancy papers I was telling you about. These are actually decorative paper napkins, and these are from Vippy's Designs. Vippy's carries hundreds and hundreds of decorative napkins. This is just a sampling. These are the ones that just came out. They have them for all different seasons, all different subjects, and for holidays. Go to their website, take a look at what they have, www.vippys.com. If you want to know more about how to use these napkins and decoupage, visit my YouTube channel, which is Decoupage DIY with Joan-Marie. And now it's off to the Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree. Look what I got. Happy Easter with the bunny. That Easter iconic pickup truck. I got ideas for that. I always have to grab the unfinished wood shapes. Those are perfect for decoupaging. And I fell in love with this bunny butt sign, and I got an idea for that too. I can't resist some of this other Easter things. I know I'm going to find projects to use them with. I love those speckled eggs. They're so pretty. Those are galvanized metal. And back there, those are cute little bunny erasers. But what's in front are foil wrapped candies. I have a video where I use them in a decoupage project. Go to my YouTube channel and check it out. I think these eggs with the clear cover is going to make a nice project using a flameless tea light, and I love the little bunny treat sacks. I just had to get them because they were cute. Now, the window clings, I do have a DIY coming up with them, and it involves decoupage. I think you're going to like it. And well, these little packages of carrots, I just had to get them. They're just so cute. And over here with the little bunny, that's going to be part of another project I'm working on. I bought the tinsel wrap egg, but not for Easter. I have another project I'm going to use them for. Of course, I had to get some headbands. If you saw my St. Patrick's Day video, you will see why. I also got some towels, but I think I'm going to keep some in my kitchen, but I'm definitely going to make a couple of pillows. I think, look how cute that bunny is. And these guys, I just picked them up because they were just so cute. I couldn't leave them there. Oh look, it's another really pretty towel I got. I also picked up a wreath. I don't make them very often, but I'm going to give it a try. I've picked up a lot of flowers. I also try to find them in thrift stores, so always keep your eye out for them. I got these galvanized bucket planters last year at the Dollar Tree. I have a decoupage DIY coming out for that, as well as these terracotta pots. Here's a couple of items I almost always grab one or two of every time I go into the Dollar Tree. These are the glass cutting boards. I have some videos where you can do a reverse decoupage. I like to have them on hand. I could decoupage, makes a good gift. I like having those candles. I have some thoughts on those. And the clear glass dishes, we've been doing a lot of reverse decoupaging on them. I've got some videos. There's other videos out there as well. So grab a couple of them every time you go in. I like looking through the Dollar Tree because I'm always keeping an eye out for things that I can do to decoupage. So these are a few other items you're going to be seeing coming up in the near future. But I also love doing recycling and upcycling. Hang on to some of those cans and hang on to some of those jars so you can try upcycling too. And yeah, I even have a project for that yogurt container. Well, that was fun and it went so fast. I showed you some of Vippy's napkins. I told you what decoupage is in case it's new to you. And I even showed you some of the things I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage DIY with Joan-Marie. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the little bell.